This is the art studio of Ianapolis, my father. Thought I'd give a little tour of it, a little look around, show you guys. Here's his shirt that he wears during his videos. It's a random miscellaneous shelf with all different things on there, paintbrushes, little paints, little knickknacks that he might use. His mixing board, so when he's got his paints, puts it on there. It's glass, so it's easy to clean. Mixes all up on that. Use his, when it comes time to whack a frame on it, that's where that's home is. Puts that there. Looks pretty nifty. What is it? It's white, gold, black and brown. And then over here, that's his reference screen, so you'll have like the reference picture painting, whatever it is, up on that screen, so you can be doing his stuff. Then you can look over. Oh, I just put my fingernail marks on that. Sorry, Dad. But yeah, you'll look over there. Oh yeah, okay. Do his thing. And down here's all these different paints. Mostly I think they're Atelier he uses. Atelier. Yeah, Atelier. He's got some Matisse. Joe Sonja. All different colours there. He's got this thing here. This thing here is pretty good actually. I'll try and get it up. So it's just a wooden board that he's made. With a little handle on it. Put some screws into it and the clips on the paint, so you can just hook it on there. And I think the back, you just put another bit of wood there, so it's like the stand for it. Get back. Over here is the infamous hairdryer, which I'm sure has caused a lot of jump scares when it randomly comes out. Flapper bucket. This is actually pretty handy. So what he's done, he's got a broom stick in there, the broom handle, cut it to size. Try and get the light so you can see it. Cut the broomstick to size, and then just screwed it into the side. And what he does, so when you've rinsed your brushes and they're all wet and stuff, so they're not dripping, you don't have to, I don't know, use paper towels or whatever you use, you can just, can't really do it with one hand, but yeah, you flap it on there and that all collects the water so it doesn't go everywhere. He just empties it out, cleans it when he's done. And this is his cameraman, this stick here. So he's made a little extension on it so that it protrudes out, so that you can get right in on the painting. So that's probably too close, but so when he mounts it there, it's right up to the canvas, or brings it back. Put this down, and he's got it down on the pallet. Pretty handy. And then in here, this is where I sleep, where I unfortunately have to put up with his noise sometimes. I'm trying to sleep. Just got a simple room, my bed, my curtain, Steve's bed, my guitar, and just TV on the wall for when me and the cats have a movie night. Yeah, that's where I sleep. Right next door to his studio. Not quite sure where his bullshit stick is though. I don't know, is this it? I think it's got it written on it. Nope. Maybe this one. Nope. I actually don't know where that is. What is that it? Oh, that's a ruler. And behind here is just some more random brushes, the big pencil. And here is his retarder, which helps the paints flow a bit better, so in case any of you want to know, it's an Atelier branded one. Retarder, low viscosity. And I'm pretty sure this is his, what he calls flow white, which he primes his canvases with, so that's Global Colors brand. Don't know if you can see that wire there. That's actually his microphone, so that you can hear him a bit better. And for his easel, he's just got, try and get around there without falling over and smashing everything. Just got a standard little easel there. You probably can't see because it's all dark, but probably get a better angle here. But yeah, it's just an easel that is sitting, can't quite see it, but it's sitting on a crate. And then he's made a little wooden platform extension, which has got his mixing thing on there with a little leg coming down to support it. And that is the art studio of my father, the acrylic guru. Hope you enjoyed having a little snoop around. He doesn't even know I'm filming right now, so he's probably just going to get a notification that I uploaded this video.